Limited approached bank for working capital facility. It had current assets of rupees 10 million and current liabilities were 15 million. Bank is reluctant to sanction working capital facility. Why? Let's understand. They have current assets. How much it is? 10 million, right? And what do we understand from current asset is that these are all the resources which are available with the company and they can be converted back into cash. I mean, this resource can be converted back into cash within a period of 1 year. So that's what we understand from what is current asset. Then what is current liability and what is the amount here? It is 15 million. And current liability is nothing but an obligation what you have. It means this obligation you have to settle within a period of 1 year in cash. I mean, the settlement should happen in cash within 1 year. So what is the problem here? You have to pay something in cash within a period of 1 year and the amount is 15 million. But the resources what you have is 10 million and that 10 million can be converted into cash within a period of 1 year. Okay, it means clearly you have a shortage, right? Clearly you have a shortage, and where do you have the shortage? You have to pay 15 million. What you have is 10 million. You have a shortage of 5 million. Let me put it, you have a shortage of 5 million, and this shortage of 5 million will have severe consequences. Why do I see that? Because this shortage is with respect to current liabilities. Current liabilities are those liabilities where you have an obligation to settle in cash within a period of 1 year. So they are basically your short-term lenders. Okay, short-term lenders will not wait for long because it is basically their operational cash flow. Okay, it is their operational cash flow which is locked with your company. So they'll not wait for that. They'll hardly wait for 10 days, 15 days beyond the due date, or say max 90 days. Beyond 90 days, they'll become restless. Okay, they'll go for legal action, and sometimes this legal action can even bring an organization into winding up process. Okay, so that could be the severe consequences if you have too much of current liability when compared with current assets. Here this company have that scenario where there is a shortage of 5 million, so this company may face these kind of consequences. So the bank is afraid that this company may land in such kind of scenario, and that's why the bank is reluctant to sanction working capital facility when their current asset current liability scenarios is like this. If I put it in a simple way, that is, I can calculate the current ratio, and here the current ratio will be current asset of 10 divided by current liability of 15, and the ratio is something like this, 0.667. It means the ratio is 0.67 is to 1. Okay, it means for every 1 rupee of liability the resource available is 67 paise. There is a clear shortage of 33 paise for every liability, and it says that there is something seriously wrong with this company.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.